Paste Special is a tool that Excel provides to you that allows you to cut or copy information and then paste only certain elements of the original selection to a new location. For example, you could copy a cell and then select to paste its value or format only. You can also copy and paste values from cells and perform mathematical operations as you paste the values to new cell locations, adding, subtracting, or multiplying them with the values that already existed in the destination cells. By default in Excel, information is exclusive to individual worksheets. That means that if you copy data from one worksheet and then paste it into another worksheet, any changes that you make to the original data will not be automatically reflected in the worksheet to which you had pasted a copy of that data. Paste Special fixes this by allowing you to paste a link between the two cells so that when the original data is changed in the original worksheet, the new value will be passed to the linked cell in the second worksheet the next time it is opened. Using this feature also allows you to paste linked data cells between two completely separate workbooks. To use the Paste Special function, you begin by copying a cell or cell range as usual. Then select the destination cell. Now, however, instead of directly clicking the Paste button, you will click the Paste button's drop-down arrow. At the top of the drop-down menu that appears, you will see different options that you have for selecting what elements of the copied element you want to paste to the new location. You could also just click the Paste Special command at the bottom of the drop-down menu to launch the Paste Special dialog box. In the Paste Special dialog box, you select the option button that represents what aspect of the copied element you wish to paste in the Paste section at the top of the dialog box. Note that if you select the Values option, you can then also choose a mathematical operation from the Operation section to perform between the value that you are pasting and the value that currently exists in the cell to which you are pasting. Once you've made your selections, click the OK button to paste your special content. Now, when you invoke the Paste Special dialog box, you have several options as to what elements of the copied cells you wish to paste. Let's take a moment to examine what options are available when using the Paste Special dialog box. In the Paste section at the top of the dialog box, you can select All to paste everything that you copied. This is the same thing as simply choosing Paste from the Paste button's drop-down menu. You can select Formulas to paste the formula only. This is also the default behavior of a formula when you normally copy and paste, so it is also rare to choose this option. Selecting Values copies the current values displayed in the cell or cells that you copied. This is useful for copying and pasting the displayed values from formula cells. Also, you sometimes want to paste the value of one cell that you have copied onto the value displayed in another cell, performing a selected mathematical operation between the two values. If you select the Values option and select a destination cell into which to paste the copied value that has a pre-existing value in it, you can then select a mathematical operation to perform with the two values in the Operations section. You can choose None to overwrite the destination cell's value with the copied value. You can select Add, Subtract, Multiply, or Divide to perform those calculations on the two values as well. Back in the Paste section at the top, you can also select to paste the formats of the copied cells. This pastes only the formatting of the copied cells and will perform the same function that the Format Painter button performs. You can select Comments to copy cell comments from one cell to a new cell. You can select Validation to copy the cell validation rules from one cell to another cell. You can select All using Source Theme to paste all of the cell contents in the document theme formatting that is applied to the copied cells. If you select All except Borders, you will paste all of the copied cell contents and formatting except for the borders. If you select Column Widths, you will paste the copied cell's column width onto the selected cell's column. You can also select Formulas and Number formats to paste only the cell's formulas and the number formatting. You can also select Values and Number formats to paste only the cell values and the number formatting to the destination cells. You can select All merging conditional formats to copy conditional formatting and merge it with existing conditional formatting in the destination cell or cells. You can check the Skip Blanks checkbox to not replace cell data in the destination cells where there were blank values in the copied cells. Checking the Transpose checkbox will switch the data in the columns to data that will now display across the rows, and vice versa. Once again, after selecting your options, you click the OK button to paste the copied data elements.